Today I want to talk about something that really worries me deeply. I see it everywhere, on the news, social media, movies, kids' shows, and it's all connecting into one big, dark picture that I don't like at all. Let me explain it step by step, exactly the way I've been thinking about it. First, I look at American news on X or TikTok, and it's full of official talk about aliens. In Congress, Pentagon reports about UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. Hundreds of new sightings every year. People believe it, spreading all kinds of crazy stories. Aliens are already among us. The government is hiding non-human technology. Videos of strange lights in the sky, fireballs, meteors that look like UFOs, drones that get mistaken for something extraterrestrial. In America, people eat it up, and here in Serbia, it's spreading too. Why right now? It feels like they're slowly getting us used to the idea that we're not alone, that something strange and foreign is up there in the sky. Then I move to movies and media, especially stuff made for children. Look at this. In kids' fairy tales now they insert dark, demonic themes. Take Maleficent 3. Angelina Jolie is back, but now Megan Fox plays her sister with ram horns, a full demonic character that breaks free from nothingness, from the void. It's a children's movie packed with evil symbolism. Nickelodeon, Disney, series like Little Demon where the daughter of Satan is the main character, or in the Santa Clauses where kids write, "We love you, Satan," instead of Santa. Pastors are warning it's a spiritual war for our children, that Satanism is being promoted through entertainment. In films, villains are cool, demons have power, and kids absorb it. They watch, play horror games, grow up surrounded by darkness. Now imagine what kind of generations will come from kids growing up in all this darkness. Children will have more anxiety, fears, nightmares. They'll become desensitized to violence and evil. It will feel normal, even cool. Less empathy, more cynicism. The world is dark, so why even try? Some will be apathetic. Others will escape into VR worlds where they can be powerful demons. Maybe some will become more resilient or skeptical toward manipulation. But the risk is huge. More depression, less hope, more people feeling broken. And now, the cherry on top. Higgsfield, the AI platform I've been using and paying for since February last year, or even earlier. They just added AI Influencer Studio, where you can create completely realistic AI avatars, but not normal ones. Demons, aliens, girls with damaged skin, octopuses with human bodies, insects fused with human forms. And they pay you if you promote them. Make these characters talk, train sports, do makeup tutorials, hold products. It's a new level. They're paying creators to get us used to these freaks, to spread them across social networks, to let them infiltrate society step by step. They're going phase by phase, from normal AI humans to these hybrid monsters. And what's next? Integration with AI robots, transhumanism, where these strange beings become part of everyday life. All of this, aliens in the news, darkness in children's movies, AI freaks being pushed by platforms like Higgsfield. Isn't this crossing every line of violence against humanity on a planetary scale? All this darkness, with film studios shooting demonic fairy tales for kids, AI robots coming everywhere. What kind of generations will this produce? Will children grow up accepting freaks as normal, or will they rebel? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it.